Where you going, boy?
Out of here.
Out of here? So I got the lumber delivery, got some ply, I got some 2x8s right here. And today we're gonna be building out this platform, raising it up about 7.5 inches. So this way we get 34 inches from the top of this ledge here to where the bottom of the platform is going to be. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So then this way the cabinets will be on here, the countertop will fit perfectly on this ledge. beam. I did it 12 inches on center, so it's gonna be strong as hell. Now I'm gonna drop some legs, probably down the back over here, down the middle, and down over there. And it's just gonna strengthen everything up and put some bridging in. I know it may look like I'm overkilling this, but I'd rather go heavy on the strength because I'm gonna have cabinets and tools. There's gonna be a lot of weight, so I'd rather have it 10 times stronger than not. Plus, it's just a good way to dispose of the pieces. Instead of throwing them out, I'll use them as braces. Beat. This is rock solid. You got the bridging, also got some posting up on the side of the joist. It just gives it extra. It's all the way down to the tile and to the concrete, so it just gives it extra strength. And I'm gonna put a couple more here in the beginning because I do have that big locker over there, and that's it. And then we're gonna close it up with some plywood. And I'll show you guys how it's gonna look. But it looks so good now, so much difference. Let me get the plywood ready. We'll slap that down. I used about, I don't know, almost 700 nails. I'd rather make it nice and strong, like I said, because I got the steel cabinets going on top of here. I also have the countertop, and you know, it's gonna be a lot of weight. So at least now I know it's gonna definitely, hold really well. Okay, I am done. I'm done for today. I'm tired, very tired. So, platform is done, and it's super, super strong. It feels like, honestly, it feels like concrete. There's no flex in it at all. So, that's it for today's video, guys, and I I don't know, next video I gotta do some spackling and stuff and button a couple of things up. Other than that, next week they're coming to do the floor, so I'm super excited about it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on another one. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I didn't eat all day, I'm starving, and it's getting there.